Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. What we're going to be doing today is collecting some ornamental poppy seeds from over here in our flower garden. If you're unaware of how to do this, it's really very simple, and nature provides an easy way of collecting these seeds. So down here you can see these are the poppies that have bloomed and gone to pass. Basically a super easy way to see if these poppies are ready to collect the seeds is that these pods will actually have little windows on them. So you see up towards the top of the pod there are little holes up in the top. Those are little windows that the seeds come out of. If we look right there, we'll see at the top of the pod, those are the little windows. And people actually cut these off if they don't want them to reseed too abundantly, because as you can tell, they are basically meant to spread all over the place because of those windows. So all you have to do is pinch off that little bulb, and then you can shake it into your hand or a bag, whatever you would like. And right here, you notice we got a handful of seeds just like that. All those little specks are the seeds. So as you can tell, they spread quite easily and quite quick. Grab a few more. And they just fall right out of there, nice and easy because of those windows. So, if you have a friend that is growing some poppies and you would like to gather some seeds from them, now you know how to do it. Just look for the little windows on top of that pod, cut them off the plant, shake them out onto your hand or a bag, and you'll be good to go. Now, many gardeners, what they actually do is they'll cut these off before they're ready to seed and reseed, because they don't want the poppies to take over their whole garden. I'm not so worried about that because we have a pretty dense coverage here, and I don't think that there'll be a problem. But if you are planting poppies in your garden, just be aware that they can reseed rather easily. This is Ripley Sartain from Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Once again, have a great and beautiful day. Take care.